Food security is not just a policy objective, it is a promise to millions. In Andhra Pradesh, this promise is carried forward every day by the Andhra Pradesh State Civil Supplies Corporation Limited. From procurement to distribution, APSC SCL manages one of the most extensive public distribution systems in the country. This scale is reflected on the ground. Over 40,000 registered transport vehicles support APSC SCL's daily operations across districts, godowns, mills, and fair price shops. At this scale, efficiency is essential. Accountability is non-negotiable. The challenge: scale before technology. The journey of food grains spans multiple stages, from Rice Seva Kendra to rice mills, from buffer godowns to mandal-level stock points, and finally to fair price shops serving citizens across the state. Each movement involves vehicles, contractors, routes, timelines, and strict compliance requirements. Earlier, limited visibility made it difficult to detect delays, route deviations, or unauthorized halts in time. When thousands of trips run simultaneously, even small gaps can ripple across the system. Technology became not just an enabler, but a necessity. The digital backbone: track and trace. To bring transparency, control, and intelligence into this vast logistics network, APSC SCL implemented Track and Trace, a centralized vehicle tracking and logistics platform developed by TechWork. Track and Trace integrates GPS data from multiple vendors and works seamlessly with existing government and partner platforms, creating a single, reliable source of truth for all transportation activities under the public distribution system. Today, over 99% of APSC SCL's registered vehicles are Vahan verified, ensuring that only authenticated vehicles participate in the supply chain. Level 1. The journey begins at procurement, when paddy is moved from Rice Seva Kendras to rice mills. Vehicles are first validated for GPS availability before a truck chit is issued. Only compliant vehicles are allowed to proceed. As vehicles move, Track and Trace monitors their location continuously. Alerts flag unauthorized halts, route deviations, or vehicle idling beyond defined thresholds. Once a vehicle enters the rice mill's geofence, the trip is automatically closed and digitally acknowledged. This automation has enabled APSC SCL to successfully manage hundreds of thousands of trips, with over 3.4 lakh truck chits generated and more than 3 lakh trips completed in a single month. Level 2. From rice mills, custom milled rice is transported to buffer godowns. Here too, GPS validation, geofencing, and automated trip closure ensure that every movement is recorded, verified, and time-stamped. Exceptions such as geofence violations are immediately highlighted for corrective action. On average, each trip carries around 250 quintals or over 500 bags, underscoring the importance of accuracy and control at every stage. Level 3. Level 4. From buffer godowns, food grains move onward to mandal-level stock points and then to fair price shops. Track and Trace validates vehicle presence, generates truck chits, monitors live movement, and confirms delivery through geofence-based trip closure. Even at the last mile, delivery is digitally verified. Food reaches where it is meant to without ambiguity. Command and control, real-time intelligence. APSC SCL officials gain a real-time operational view through intuitive dashboards. They can monitor running, completed and delayed trips, track vehicle performance, and analyze alerts such as unauthorized location entries or extended idling. In December alone, the system tracked nearly 1.7 crore kilometers of movement, with alerts accounting for a small fraction of total trips, indicating stable and controlled operations. Detailed reports support audits, reviews, and data-driven decisions, strengthening governance at every level. The outcome: transparent, accountable governance. With Track and Trace, APSCSCL has transformed logistics monitoring into a proactive, data-driven operation. Manual dependencies are reduced, transparency is strengthened, disputes are minimized, operations are stabilized, and accountability is built into every movement. This is technology in service of governance, and governance in service of the people. APSCSCL continues to lead by example, ensuring food security with efficiency, integrity, and innovation. APSCSCL, securing food, empowering trust, enabled by technology.